Honorable Principal Sir, respected all teachers and my schoolmates. Firstly, good morning everyone. Myself Priya from 10th standard. Today we will presenting a group discussion on festival seasons. India is a land of festival. Every festival is celebrated with great pomp and show. In the month of October, 5 festivals are celebrated. First festival is of Dhanteras. Now I am going to Hasmukh to ask about Dhanteras. She will tell you about the significance and purpose of Dhanteras.
The festival of Diwali, the people start with Dhanteras. In this day, the people buy new items like gold, silver, utensils, considered to be auspicious. In this day, the people clean their houses and decorate with house, draw rangoli, flower, diyas. What it is? Dhanteras is the day of wealth, prosperity, and good wealth. What is mean? Dhanteras is the considered of two words. Dhan mean wealth and 13 mean 13th. Why do we celebrate? In this day, the worship of Lakshmi goddess, the goddess of Lakshmi wealth, and the Dhanvantri goddess of the magician. What do people? In this day, people buy new items, gold, silver, and the people it believe that these all items are double in the future. A legend. According to a legend, a kind a son, the 13-year-old 16-year-old son of kind Hima would die by snake bite on his fourth day of his marriage. His wife kept him away and decorated the house with gold, silvers, ornaments. His wife decorate their house. The god of die come. He's blind. The bright metal. Why it is the Diwali, the Dhanteras is the upon to Diwali. Thank you.
Now, Kushi from 10th standard will tell you about Diwali.
Diwali is an important festival of India. It is the most beautiful festival in the Hindu's culture. It also known as Deepavali means rose of lamps. Diwali is celebrated in the month of October or November on the Kartike month. It is celebrated after 20 days of the Shahara. Diwali is a festival of light. In this day, Lord Rama returns to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile from forest. Rama is the prince of Ayodhya. He defeated the Ravana and this is the victory of good over evil. Diwali is the word of Sanskrit language. Diwali is celebrated in all the part of India with great pomp. Shops, streets, and houses are decorated with lights, lamps, and diyas, etc. We wear new clothes and exchange of gifts and sweets with each other. People clean their houses and exchange of gifts and sweets with each other and eat sweets on that day. At night, we worship Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. People burn firecrackers in the sky and girls make rangoli in their houses. Some people drink wine and playing cards and betting on that day. But drinking and betting is not a good habit. Burning crackers lead to air and noise pollution. So my friends, please don't burn firecrackers. This is a festival of love and joy. Some cultural program like rangoli competition, dancing competition, singing competition, and some cultural program is held in the schools. Students decorated their classes and give some gifts to their teachers. And the teachers give them blessings. Children help their father and mother to clean the house and decorated the house. I love this festival very much. Thank you.
Now, Muskan from 10th standard will tell you about Govardhan Puja.
The story of Govardhan Hill is a mythly tale about Lord Krishna lifted Govardhan Hill to save the people of Vrindavan from devastating storm. The people of Vrindavan performed ritual to Lord Indra each year, bless their rain with crop. But however, one year Lord Krishna told the people about Karam and advised them to focus on their duties. Instead worrying about they could not control, Lord Indra became very angry and sent a Samvarta cloud. The people of Vrindavan ran to Krishna and for help. The Krishna lifted the Govardhan hill with his left hand and pinky finger. The people took shelter under it. The rain continued for 7 days. Lord Indra realized his mistake and apologized to Krishna. The story teaches that the people should perform their duties selflessly, and have a faith in God. Thank you.
Now, Tanu from 10th standard will tell you about Bhaiya Dooj.
Bhai Dooj is a great Hindu festival. It is celebrated by the people of Nepal and India passing through the festive week of Diwali. It is celebrated with a lot of love and very happiness. In different part of India, it is known as different names, but all of them aims are same. On this day, Lord Krishna visited his sister Subhadra after killing the demon Narkasur. His sister was very happy. On this day, sister celebrated this day and put the auspicious tilk on this day, and it is a belief that the tilk protect their brothers from any kind of mishaps. All sisters celebrated this day and get some gifts in return. Thank you.
Now, Prince from 10th standard will tell you about Vishwakarma Day.
Our last festival is Vishwakarma Day. Vishwakarma Day is festival of only for builders because Lord Vishwakarma is the god for famous for its craftsmen and builders. This festival celebrate for our workers. They work hard to build our buildings. On this day, we recognize the hard work of builders and appreciate them. We have many parts. We have many social media parts to appreciate them. At last, happy Vishwakarma Day and thank you.
Conclusion. All these festivals have an important place in our life. Every festival gives the message of love, devotion, brotherhood, good manners, the importance of good company, selflessness, patience, self-discipline, and good victory over evil. At the end, we can say that it is no matter how dark the constitution seems, there at the end will always be light over darkness, of justice over injustice, and over dharam over adharam. We should implement all these messages in our life. Thank you and have a nice day.